It's important that customers review their insurance needs on a regular basis, and that also includes a review of whether those insurance policies should be held inside super or outside of superannuation. Now, there are a number of different types of insurance policies that customers can consider. They can consider income protection, which can help to protect them if they have a short-term time out of the workforce. They can look to have life protection or life cover, which will pay out a lump sum upon their death. There's total and permanent disability insurance, which generally will pay out an amount to a customer if they suffer an injury and they can no longer return to the workforce, or they might be able to get some trauma cover, which can pay out for certain specified events. It's important to work out with customers, do they have the right amount of those insurance coverage, and review that from time to time, because depending on a change in circumstances, there might be a need to increase or decrease the level of coverage that they have. The other important consideration for your customers is whether those policies should be held inside super or outside super. Holding them inside super often offers some advantages. For example, in relation to life insurance, as well as total and permanent disability insurance, the premiums are tax deductible generally where they're held through a superannuation fund. And the premiums are paid out of the superannuation savings, so it doesn't have an impact on your customer's cash flow position personally. But what does become important there is in terms of who the money can be paid out to, because through superannuation, retirement benefits or death benefits can only be paid out to certain people. And it's also important to ensure that the money can be paid out of the fund when it's actually needed. And that's a very important consideration when it comes to total and permanent disability insurance. But the most important thing for customers around their insurance needs is first of all to ensure, had they reviewed to see what type of coverage they need, and secondly, had they regularly reviewed to ensure that they have the right level of cover.